Ron and Camille, today you are presenting yourselves before this congregation to declare your intention of uniting your lives for the service of God and men. I charge you, therefore, first of all, to consider that your promises to each other are made in the presence of God. I charge you to love and care to each other and support one another.
Hi, Cam. Promise to love you with all my heart till my undying days. You changed my life. I used to be a different person before you met me. You brought my passion back to pretty much everything in life. And for that, I thank you.
You had so many chances of walking away. Okay. But you chose to accept my flaws, and here we are.
We'll be together.
Look for ways how you will express your appreciation to each other. You can use the word good job, Ron, I'm so proud of you. Or Cam, you're so beautiful. I love you very much. I'm always here for you, and so on and so forth. You know, sometimes appreciating little things really matters. And a person who feels appreciated, they will do more than what is expected.
I have been through so much in my life, and I waited for this moment. Thank you. I know I'm not easy to love. My friends and family will agree. But I promise that it will only get better from this day on.
Ron, you may now kiss your wife.